Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's May 12th, 2025, and it's almost 9 a.m. And gotta turn my water on, start watering. Head down and feed those animals at the barn. It's a kind of a pretty day. It's kind of weird clouds though. Kind of a mist in the sky. It's only like 51 degrees, so it is a little chilly out here. Morning, Molly. So eating yesterday's hay. Good thing about goats, they stop eating when they get full. Bad thing about the goats, if it's not a feeder, they use the bathroom on it. Oh, here's Harold, thinks he's starving. Oh, there's wasted hay in here. There's some more. Eat it. Yeah, Edith eats most of her food. She's destroying her house. Oh, she's out of water again. It's the time of year for the pigs go through water. And JD wants some fresh hay. Where's Brandy at? There she is. Morning, Bella. My babies. I'll start with that. Throw you some more hay a little later. I don't want you trampling all over it. Everyone's set down here. I go, if I can't get this golf cart started, the thing won't start again. Gotta get it moved out before I bring the sprinkler down in a couple hours. Anyway, have a good day, guys. Catch you later.